Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick 2-minute stories. Today, we're diving into the incredible physics of time travel. Is it really possible to travel through time like in the movies? Let's break it down. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not a constant. It's more like a fabric that can stretch and bend. This means that time passes differently depending on how fast you're moving. For example, if you could travel close to the speed of light, time would slow down for you compared to someone on Earth. This concept is called time dilation, and astronauts experience tiny effects of it when they are in space. So technically, traveling into the future is possible. But what about traveling to the past? That's where things get tricky. One theory involves wormholes, which are like tunnels through space and time, connecting distant points. If you could travel through one, you might end up in the past. But here's the catch. We haven't discovered any real wormholes, and if they exist, they might be too unstable to use. There's also the famous grandfather paradox. If you went back in time and changed something major, like stopping your grandparents from meeting, would you even exist? This question leads to debates about the nature of time itself. Does it flow like a river, or could there be alternate timelines? While time travel into the past remains a mystery, scientists are still studying the possibilities. Who knows what the future holds? If this video made you think, hit subscribe for more amazing science content. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.